Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Starting off here by taking a look over Johnson City from our Buffalo Mountain camera, looking over the city there. A nice picture with a little bit of cloud cover on the horizon. Really no major cloud cover to talk about, but it is cold outside, 34 degrees right now. You know, we're talking about the cold, and everyone's like, hey, it's winter. It's supposed to be cold. Well, here's the deal. Our temperatures this afternoon are about 10 to 12 degrees below average. So, yeah, it's winter. It's supposed to be cold, but it's still significantly below average for this area. Now let's look at a regional picture, because one thing is also unusual, a little bit of snow right through here, northeast North Carolina, parts of southeast Virginia, excuse me, seeing a little bit of snow, and this is pretty cool. All right, so we have infrared satellite out there which detects the cloud temperature, and so what you're seeing here all across Minnesota and portions of Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, Chicago, up towards Wisconsin, is actually not cloud cover, but it is the cold air that the satellite is detecting, thinking it is clouds, because clouds, by their very nature, the cloud tops are cold. They're usually about -20 to -40 degrees Celsius. And so what this is detecting are those cold cloud tops up here. Watch as they go away as the sun comes out and the temperatures warm up, and the ground temperature warms up as well. You can see the actual clouds right here moving through portions of Nebraska. So it's kind of cool meteorology and kind of cool satellite meteorology to talk about today at noon. Now, let's talk about our temperatures locally, because highs today only in the middle 30s across much of northeast Tennessee. Looking for 20s across southwest Virginia. And I'm going to be honest with you, 28 may be generous in Norton and Wise this afternoon. You guys may stay in the mid-20s. Northwest wind is one of the reasons for that. Northwest wind helping to keep everyone cool this afternoon, keeping the clouds down. And with the clouds pretty much going away and light winds tonight, that is going to set up a cold night as we go into your Thursday morning. Check out these lows I'm expecting for your Thursday morning. About 14 degrees in Kingsport, 13 Johnson City, the same in Bristol, 11 Mountain City, 10 for Marion, 10 in Norton. Wouldn't shock me if you guys actually drop below 10 degrees into the single digits, 11 for Clintwood, and around 12 degrees in Grundy. Moisture staying south of us today, a little bit more cloud cover, and that snow I talked about in North Carolina, that's all south of us today, so no worries about that. What we are watching, though, is a clipper system that's going to swing through our area as we go into late Thursday and then into Friday. That clipper system could bring us some snow showers at times. Another clipper comes through on Saturday night into Sunday, giving us another shot for a little bit of some snow. And then some models are trying to develop a system as we go into Monday, really Sunday night into Monday. That was the GFS model. You notice a little bit of snow through here. Check out the European model. It has more of the moisture way far south of us for the exact same time frame on Sunday. One of the reasons for that is the system is going to create that is up here in the eastern Pacific Ocean, off the Pacific Northwest coast. And the models are trying to resolve a little thing like that little bump right there, having to try to resolve that all the way across the United States and figure out what it's going to do in our neck of the woods. So the model resolution isn't that great, and the lack of data in parts of the Pacific Ocean also not helping our cause in terms of forecasting it. But what we are confident about is that it's going to be very cold as we go into New Year's Day and into 2018. Temperatures in the 20s at times as we go into 2018. It's going to stay pretty cold. Check out your 7-day forecast here. Temperatures on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all in the 30s. Then we cool down into the 20s. Usually I like to say then we warm up. Well, instead we're going the other way. 20s for Monday and Tuesday, 27 for a high on Monday, 28 on Tuesday. Overnight lows in the single digits, Monday into Tuesday. You know, 9 degrees here in the Tri-Cities. That means parts of southwest Virginia likely going to drop into the 5 to maybe 7 degree mark as we go into Tuesday morning.
And at that point, it's just cold.
Yeah, you know, when you get into the teens tomorrow morning and single digits, it's all just cold, which is something to keep in mind with people, pets, and your pipes, especially if they're not insulated.
That is a good reminder there, Ricky.